Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm diving into the latest from AMD, the Radeon RX 9070 and 9070 XT graphics cards. Let's get started. First up, the Radeon RX 9070. This card features 56 RDNA 4 compute units, 56 Ray accelerators, and 112 AI accelerators, totaling 3,584 stream processors. It has a game clock of 2070 MHz and a boost clock of 2520 MHz, delivering over 36 teraflops of single precision compute performance. Next, we have the Radeon RX 9070 XT. This powerhouse comes with 64 RDNA 4 compute units, 64 Ray accelerators, and 128 AI accelerators, totaling 4,096 stream processors. It boasts a game clock of 2,400 MHz and a boost clock of 2,970 MHz, reaching nearly 49 teraflops of single precision compute performance. Both cards come with 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, running at 20 gigabytes per second across a 256-bit bus, providing 640 gigabytes of bandwidth. They also support PCI Express 5.0 and feature HDMI 2.1b and DisplayPort 2.1a. These GPUs are designed for high-performance gaming, with the RX 9070 XT offering up to 42% faster performance than the previous generation in 4K gaming.